In 2020, I posted a $200 project on LinkedIn. 3 weeks later, Motive, a unicorn AI company, hired me. And that's how I've been operating ever since. I'm Ali Zahid Raja, and I build AI systems that survive production. I've ranked in the global top 0.1% in competitive programming and first in Pakistan. I've built a product in 2 days which has been used in 150 plus countries. I've also failed at multiple startups. I've gone into debt and rebuilt multiple times, and I've also managed to land remote roles of $100,000 to $150,000 per year while sitting in Pakistan. My edge isn't the AI models I use, it's the system I've built behind it. Real production, real architecture, the kind that holds up at 2 a.m. when users are bombarding it and no one's watching the logs. I take full ownership from execution to architecture to production, and that's where I do my best work. If you have something that needs to be made, you know where to find me.